Shenzhen BTF-LIGHTING Technology Company Limited, located in Baolan, Shenzhen, which is known as the window of the world. Our mission is committed to providing our customers with high-quality lighting products and excellent service. We are the factory and manufacturer, mainly engaged in designing and selling the flexible LED pixel strip, FCOB LED strip, LED pixel string, and LED controller. Huge manufacturing facility to guarantee bulk orders, reliable products produced by strict quality control. Competitive prices since we are the source. Full line of products to meet demands of different customers. Of course, our products had adopted CE RoHS FCC authorities. Absolutely high-quality products. This is how we keep superior quality and competitive offers for global valued customers. We export to over 40 countries, including the America, Canada, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Australia. After 11 years fighting, we already have a passionate, full of vitality young team. At the same time, we have 400 square meters of senior office building and 3,000 square meters of production base. Our R&D department provides the strong technical support and enables us to receive OEM project. While we focus on the development of the company, we are also committed to improving the team members' working abilities. This not only allows them to realize their own value in their work, but also increases the cohesion of the team.